AI is still learning from humans to become better than humans. It only wins if humans stop evolving and strengthening themselves. In this video, we will explore 8 habits or brain rules that will keep humans ahead of AI in 2026. Rule 1. Recognize the power of AI creativity. It can paint, compose, and invent in ways even humans can't. But here's the edge we have: understanding context, making judgments, and aligning ideas with purpose. AI can create, but you decide what matters. Rule 2. Use AI like a partner, not a crutch. Handle most of the thinking yourself. Collaborate with AI for perspective, and let it automate the mundane. This 70-20-10 approach keeps your brain sharp while boosting productivity. Rule 3. Struggle productively. Before you ask AI for the answer, think it through yourself. Even 15 minutes of real effort builds stronger thinking muscles than being handed a solution immediately. AI should challenge your brain, not replace it. Rule 4. Treat AI as a mirror, not a yes man. Ask it to challenge your ideas, spot blind spots, or present counter-arguments. The smartest people don't just get answers, they interrogate them. Use AI to sharpen your thinking, not soothe your ego. Rule 5. Protect your creative sandbox. Some of your best ideas come when your brain is free and even bored. Don't let AI fill every mental corner. Step back, unplug, and let your imagination roam. That's where genius is born. Rule 6. Build a second brain with AI, but keep the thinking in your first brain. Store and organize knowledge, yes, but don't outsource understanding. Your AI can remember, summarize, and track, but your brain interprets, reasons, and creates meaning. Rule 7. Don't forget the basics. Sleep well, exercise, eat brain-healthy food, manage stress. AI can supercharge your work, but it cannot fix a tired, burnt-out brain. Treat your body like a high-performance engine, because it powers everything your mind can do. Rule 8. Think about your thinking. Before using AI, clarify your goal. After, reflect on what you learned. Metacognition transforms AI from a tool into a teacher. Every interaction becomes a chance to grow smarter, not just faster. AI is powerful, but your brain is irreplaceable. The habits you build today, learning continuously, thinking critically, and nurturing creativity, are your real superpowers. So don't just compete with AI, stay curious, stay adaptive, and stay ahead. Remember, tools will keep evolving, but your mind is the ultimate edge. Train it, challenge it, and lead with it, because the future belongs to those who think better and deeper. And never forget to live like a human. Read, write, sing, walk, explore. These simple, natural behaviors are more than habits. They are the strengths evolution gave us. In a world with AI, the future belongs to those who think smarter and live fully.